In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change FigJam connector color. If you're mapping ideas, building a flow, or just keeping things tidy, changing the color of connectors in FigJam can make your board clearer and easier to read. Let's walk through it together in a simple, no-stress way. First, head to figma.com and log into your account using your preferred browser. Once you're in the Figma home screen, you'll see your files and recent work. To work in FigJam, open a FigJam board. You can choose an existing one from your recents or pick a FigJam file from your workspace. If you're not sure you're in FigJam, look for the whiteboard-style canvas with sticky notes, shapes, and simple tools. That's the one. With your FigJam board open, find a connector on the canvas. A connector in FigJam is the line or arrow that links two objects, like sticky notes or shapes. Click directly on the connector to select it. When it's selected, you'll notice a small contextual toolbar appear near the line or along the top of your screen. This toolbar is your quick control center for styling connectors. If you don't see the toolbar, make sure only the connector is selected and that you're not clicking the object it's attached to. Zooming in a little can also help ensure you've grabbed the connector itself. In that toolbar, look for the color control. It usually appears as a small color swatch or droplet icon. Click it to open the color picker. Here you can choose from preset swatches for fast, consistent options, or explore a wider spectrum if you want a more customized look. As you hover over colors, you'll see the connector update in real time, which is handy for quickly testing what works best against your board's background. Pick the color you like, and the change will apply immediately. A couple of quick tips as you choose. Keep contrast in mind so your connectors are easy to distinguish from shapes and text. If you're collaborating with a team, consider sticking to a simple color system, like one color for main flows and another for exceptions, so everyone reads the board the same way. And if you're adjusting multiple connectors, selecting them together will let you apply the new color all at once for consistency. That's all there is to it. Open your board, click a connector, let the tools appear, and choose the color that makes your ideas pop. Thanks for watching, and happy whiteboarding in FigJam.